What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here, and I'm gonna get into a concept that my mentor always talks about, and he uses this analogy with coffee grind. So here are coffee beans. I just ground them up, and I have my grind, right? These are the books. The coffee is equivalent to the books, right? Or RA guys, toys, Barbie dolls if you're Jameson. And then you also have your ways of making them. So in this case, I'm making espresso, right? I can never find my damn spoon. Here we go. So I'm making some espresso right now. I'm bougie, right? But there's some people out there that would prefer to Aeropress it, right? Some people want to Aeropress it. Doesn't matter how I brew it, a caffeinated beverage is gonna come out, okay? I could really turn on some hot water over there in my sink, put some coffee in it. I could get these coffee beans, stomp on them, and throw them in the sink, and then, get a little tablespoon or get this spoon and sip it. I guarantee you some caffeine would reach my bloodstream. So systems really aren't that important. A caffeinated beverage, aka a profitable business, as long as you're getting good books, as long as you list them, send them in, ship them out. Maybe you label them, maybe you don't. The point is, as long as you can get books and have a way of getting them into the customer's hands, that's a business right there. So then the next important step is get more books. That's how you're gonna scale this business. So how many books are you getting a week? You getting 100? You getting 250? You getting 1,000? I think a lot of the stress so much over the ways. I'm one of those people actually. I'm guilty of this. Stressing way too much over the system. The system is not the most important part. Most important part is getting more books and having a system that can work without you. I feel like that's an important part. Here's a system right here. 6 o'clock in the evening, I'm gonna drink this espresso. Find more books, guys. Peace out.